KP classes dedicated to excellence.
Previous year question papers. You must have heard all of us repeatedly telling you to solve previous year question papers. Now the question is, why you must solve the previous year question papers? Why is it so important to solve these PYQs? One by one, we are going to look at the benefits. First of all, understanding the exam pattern. Now, okay, you are preparing for NATA examination, you are preparing for JEE examination. That has to do with architecture and that has to do with planning. Understood. But is it that you have to study everything under the sun? No. Architecture is a very huge topic. Urban planning or planning in general is a very huge topic. You do not have to study everything under the sun. Also, exam pattern also means how many marks are we looking at, what is the syllabus, how much time you will be getting to solve these kind of questions, exactly what kind of questions are framed for this particular examination. It is very important that you, before beginning with your preparation, look into the PYQs to understand the pattern. Next, identify key topics. Any examination that you are talking about, there is a set structure. Okay, you have to identify the key topics. Where are the questions coming from? Where are most of the questions coming from? Is it that from a certain area, every year questions are being asked? So all this analysis you have to do. Next, improved time management. All these examinations, especially your NATA and JEE examinations, are time bound, meaning you have to answer these questions not only correctly, but you also have to answer these questions within the given time. So as much as you practice your previous year questions, it is going to be very easy for you to manage your time in the examination. Next, boosting confidence. The number of previous year questions you solve, you have to make sure that you keep a track of your score. When you score good marks in your preparation, that boosts your confidence a lot and you're very confident during the examination, on the day of your examination, and you're not nervous. Now it may seem like a very small point, it may seem very obvious, but we have seen many of our very brilliant students getting nervous on the day of the examination. That should not happen to you. So make sure you practice enough before the examination. Next, self-assessment. Let's say you are not scoring very good marks in your preparation or while solving the previous year question papers. It is not boosting your confidence. Then it will help you in self-assessment. Which are the areas where you are going wrong? Which are the topics in which you are not able to score a good mark? Is it that you have studied that and you are not able to remember? Or is it that you are making silly mistakes while solving these questions? Or is it that you forgot or you haven't studied about that particular topic? All this self-assessment you will be able to do better while solving the previous year question papers. Next, developing exam strategy. Once you know the exam pattern, once you know the key areas, you know the key topics, once you have done this self-assessment, you will be in a better position to develop one exam strategy. Exam strategy could mean during the preparation. It also means during the exam or on the day of the exam or while solving this examination, what is going to be your strategy? Is it that in the preparation, is it that you have understood that you are very good with the mathematics part or you're very good with the English part? So is it that you do not require more revisions in these areas or require less revisions in these areas? It could be that you are not able to answer a set of questions within the given time. So to handle that or to address that, what is going to be your strategy? Is it that you are making a lot of silly mistakes? If so, if this is something that you found out in the self-assessment, now what is going to be your strategy so that you do not make these silly mistakes? You have to be very observant. You have to be very focused during this examination. So this is also a very key or very important part, and all these together gives you the answer as to why you have to solve previous year question papers, and you have to solve a lot of previous year question papers. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel, you will be getting a lot of previous year question papers, JEE as well as NATA, where we have talked about each and every question in detail. So not only is it going to help you with the time management part, with the understanding of a particular topic, but also it is going to definitely enhance your score with respect to NATA and JEE. So please, without any further delay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.